Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are good and fine. So today we will make noodles. First of all, we will add 1 jug of water in the pan. After adding water, we will add packets of noodles. After adding noodles, we will add masala of 8. After adding masala, we will mix it very well. If you like my videos, so like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. After mixing, we will cover it up for 2 hours. We will pick the cover and our noodles are ready. Looking so yummy. We will dish out in a plate or bowl. Looking yummy. Like, share, subscribe. Allah Hafiz.